Alright, so I'm in the garage pre-drilling screws for this new dash that I got off of eBay. I'm sure a number of other people have got these. They came with these little black screws, and they say to drill a 1/8 hole in this aluminum, as you can kind of see here. Drill a 1/8 size hole, and then you can just screw these black screws in. Well, the first one I tried to get in was really tight, and I ended up snapping it off and having to remove it with vice grips. So what I went and did, and I went and found one of these little sheet metal screws that I had in a drawer, and each hole, after I drill the 1/8, I run this screw in there, and it kind of actually cuts a little bit wider hole and also kind of sets some thread. And I'm using my impact drill to do that, and that kind of helps it get through there a little bit better. So just a little tip, if you're going to put one of these little dashboards on and drill your aluminum out, if you don't want to fight all these screws, find one of these little sheet metal screws and run those in first before you run your black screws in.